You guys were farting everyone. Whoa, bro, keep it in your pants, bro. Jeez, you need a paper towel after that one? Whoa, what'd you have for lunch? Whoa, bro, is that one wet or what? Jeez Louise, lemon squeeze it, bro. Whoa, bro. Whoa.